Hey Olivia Graf fam, if you're a Yellowstone addict like me, get ready. The Dutton saga isn't over. Tonight, March 1st, 2026, Marshals premieres on CBS at 8/7 Central, and it's the first sequel spinoff following fan favorite Kayce Dutton. Luke Grimes is back in the saddle, but this time he's trading ranch life for badges and guns. This is huge. Let's break down everything you need to know before you tune in. Hit like if you're watching tonight and let's dive in. Marshals picks up right after Yellowstone's finale. Kayce Dutton, the quiet, tough Navy SEAL cowboy we all loved, has left the Yellowstone Ranch behind. He sold his share, trying to escape the family drama and give his son Tate a normal life. But peace, not for a Dutton. Now, Kayce joins an elite unit of US Marshals in Montana. He's using his cowboy skills, military training, and that unbreakable sense of justice to hunt down fugitives, fight crime, and bring range justice to the wild mountains. The show promises high-stakes action, family tension, and the heavy psychological toll of being the last line of defense against violence. Think Yellowstone's grit mixed with a classic crime procedural, but with way more horses and heart. Luke Grimes is killing it as Kayce again. He almost said no to this role, but Taylor Sheridan convinced him with a killer story. Returning stars, Gil Birmingham as Thomas Rainwater, Mo Brings Plenty as Rainwater's right hand, and Brecken Merrill as Tate Dutton. Kayce's son is back too. New faces stealing the show. Logan Marshall-Green as Tough Marshal Pete Calvin, Ariel Kebble as Belle Skinner, Ash Santos as Andrea Cruz, and Tatanka Means as Miles Kittle. The team dynamic looks fire, banter, loyalty, and that classic Yellowstone family vibes, but now in law enforcement mode. Creator Taylor Sheridan is executive producing. Showrunner Spencer Hudnut from SEAL Team is running it. Expect intense action, emotional depth, and those stunning Montana landscapes. Premiere episode, Paya Wakoni. Kayce reunites with an old SEAL teammate and helps hunt a bomber targeting the Broken Rock Reservation. Drama, explosions, moral dilemmas. It's got everything. The series airs Sundays on CBS at 8 p.m. Eastern Time and streams next day on Paramount Plus, live on Premium Plan. If you missed Yellowstone, catch up quick. This is the perfect next chapter. Fans are hyped. Kayce finally gets his own spotlight. More Dutton justice. What do you think? Will Marshals top the original? So, set your reminders. Marshals drops tonight. Will Kayce find peace or more chaos? Drop in the comments. Are you team Kayce forever? Favorite Yellowstone moment? Like if you're tuning in, share with your binge buddies, and subscribe to @OliviGuerra for more hot TV breakdowns, trailers, and entertainment vibes. Notifications on. Don't miss the next one. See you in the comments after the premiere. Ride safe, Dutton fans. Yeehaw!